I hope everyone is doing great. So it's the story time, and the story is about Mithu the parrot. See, Mithu is green colored parrot and it has a big red beak, right? So the story is about Mithu the parrot, and let's see the story now. So one day, Mithu was flying in the sky, and Mithu loves to fly a lot. And while flying, Mithu saw a tree there. Oh, let's see. There is a big yellow mango on the tree. So Mithu thought, mango is my favorite fruit. Let's eat it. So Mithu started flying slowly towards the mango. But as soon as Mithu reached near the mango, it heard a sound. Crow, crow, go away, this is my tree. He got confused. What is this sound? Where is it coming from? So, in confusion, Mithu looked up. There is a big black crow there. And the crow was shouting, crow, crow, you should go away. This is my tree. The sound of crow was very loud. So the small parrot Mithu, he got very frightened. He thought, what would he do? This crow is shouting very loud. Now let's see what happens next. So Mithu got very afraid and it flew away from the tree. Mithu was very sad and was flying very slowly. Suddenly, it saw a big red balloon under the tree. Mithu got an idea. What was that? Let's find out. So, Mithu flew near the balloon and it carefully held it in its beak. But Mithu was very careful because it didn't want to burst the balloon. And slowly, Mithu started to fly towards the tree. So slowly, Mithu reached to the mango tree. And the crow was sitting there on the branch of the mango tree. Can you see it? Yes. And Mithu very smartly went behind the tree and see, Mithu is going to do what? So Mithu pecked the balloon and pop! It made a very loud sound. And you know what happened? The sound was so loud that the crow fell off the tree. See? And it said, go, 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 go. See? The crow is lying on the ground. And it's saying, go, go. A big gun is after me. A big gun is after me. Go, go. And the crow flew away and it never came back to the tree. And now Mithu sat on the tree and was enjoying his favorite food, mango. Yes, see, Mithu is enjoying mango a lot. And see what Mithu is saying. Yummy. It is a very yummy mango. And Mithu is very happy also. See how Mithu smartly used his mind and got whatever it wanted. So, कैसी लगी आपको ये story? I hope you liked it and watch it again and again and learn it. I will see you again. Bye bye.
ऐसे ही फन लर्निंग वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे लर्निंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में और जानने के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए डिटेल्स पर संपर्क करें। स्कूल एट होम, द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न। खेल खेल में पढ़ाई।